Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I would like to show you the way how to get 4K quality on your CapCut video by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing that you have to do is just go open the CapCut application and you can start a new project and start doing editing for your video. And here I already have the example, my project, and I already did some editings to my video, and here is the editing results. So to get the 4K quality for this editing video, you just need to take a look on this upper side right here, and you will select 1080p resolutions for your video. To get or to make this become 4K, you just need to go click it, and there will be a settings part before you export the video. If you want to get a 4K in the resolutions here, just drag it into the right side in the 2K or 4K part. But you need to consider that the more or the higher the resolution, they will be also make the size that you save later will be bigger. You can see now the size right now is 24, but then after I drag into the 4K, it changed like twice time bigger. So if you are dealing with this, you just need to go continue the next step, which is the frame rate. Make it as 60 to make the movement of your video is smoother. And don't forget to go or to do the smart HDR for your video. And after you got everything done, go click this part to export the video and save to your device, and now you're done. So that's the way, guys, how to get a 4K quality on a on a CapCut video. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.